Safety is in your hands. Material handling. Human hands are complex and unique. They are one of mankind's greatest assets. Can you imagine not being able to use or work with your hands, doing these simple tasks? How important are your hands? The hand is one of the most complex parts of your body. The many bones, muscles, tendons and nerves allow you to grip and perform a wide variety of complex tasks. Without your hands, it would be extremely difficult to do the simple things you take for granted. Putting your hands in unsafe or wrong places, using the wrong tools, or touching moving equipment can cause severe injuries. Fingers don't grow back. Recent reports indicate that more than 25% of all workplace accidents involve hand and finger injuries. You only have 2 hands, 10 fingers and no spares. Almost all tasks on site require you to use your hands and can seriously injure you if not careful. You should always be careful when doing common lifting and moving activities in and around your area. Assess the risk and always identify the hazards around you. Safe handling of glass. Handling of glass is often seen as a non-routine task. Remember to always complete a risk assessment and involve an expert or the supplier before doing the job. Use the correct gloves and other PPE for handling of glass. Make sure you know the correct method and have the correct tools and equipment before proceeding. Use the correct and well-maintained lifting and transporting equipment. Inspect equipment before use. Never handle or work with glass when it's wet. If you're not comfortable about your task and don't feel safe, stop and ask your supervisor or involve an expert. If the job cannot be done safely, don't do it. Always use the right gloves for the job you're doing. The Kevlar cut-resistant gloves for handling glass and using Stanley knives. Leather gloves for light-duty handling. Ultrain grey gloves for light-duty mechanical work. PVC gloves for medium to heavy-duty cleaning and chemical handling. Leather-padded heat-resistant gloves for welding and hot work. Change management. Remember, as with clothes, there is often a need to change your PPE to suit the type of work you are performing. SLAM. Stop, look, assess and manage. You should always perform SLAM before you start your work for the day. Stop. Engage your mind before you use your hands. Look. Look at your workplace and surroundings to identify possible hazards. Assess. Assess the effect of the hazard on people and the environment. Manage. Manage the possible hazard with effective controls and advise others. Hazards common to material handling include heavy or awkward loads requiring more than one person to handle safely. Look out for very sharp, cold or hot objects. Be aware of potential pinch points. Make sure that your work area is clean with no obstacles. Be careful when working or walking on uneven surfaces. You must always use the correct tool for the job. Hand tools simplify your life, but if not handled correctly, can cause serious injury. A damaged shovel can be harmful to a person using it. Make sure you inspect equipment before use. Avoid using a bolster or chisel if the head is damaged. When there is a mushroom head, the steel splits can protrude into your face. You can make a difference and help everyone stay safe and achieve zero harm, zero tolerance, and zero repeats.